Hi guys, welcome back to the J29 Business Simplified YouTube channel. As always, I'm excited. We're all about helping business owners learn, grow and get online. And I know right now you're wondering, who's the other person here? So I'd like to introduce you to Jacques Blignaut, and he'll tell you a bit more about what we're doing together as a business.
Yeah, so I'm super excited to be part of the J29 Business Simplified team. The reason why I got involved is because we're trying to help businesses learn, grow and get online. And I think what's very important about getting online is that people can see the passion behind the businesses that we're trying to represent, right? So I'm a storyteller at heart. I've been in the business, the entertainment industry for like more than 15 years. I love storytelling, I love people, I love to help people get the best out of themselves, but also to tell the world their stories. And how it relates to business is that we're trying to tell business owners how to present themselves to the world better, to show their passion for the business that they're doing. And so we're going to be helping businesses make videos, get online, and so people can actually see, the passion behind it and why they do the business that they do and why it's so important for them and why the world needs to see them.
Thanks, Jacques. Sounds good. So everybody on the channel, business owners, share with other business owners. We have some exciting tutorials that's going to be coming up about helping you tell your story from a media point of view. Where we're going to now in the world, video is becoming extremely important for your businesses. And Jacques and I'll also be doing a competition. We will do a professional video. It should be coming up in the next month or two, so keep your eyes on the YouTube channel. Thank you for your support and have a great week and month, business owners. Close those deals, make those calls and get those proposals signed. All the best.
Thank you, partner.
Thanks. Cheers, guys.
Ciao.